In the United States alone, an estimated 400,000 children go missing every year. Autistic children who elope are at a higher risk of danger.
Hi. Hello. We would like to buy some food. Thank you.
Staying connected to your loved ones will bring you peace of mind with the Blackbird app. Our technology provides one-click SOS emergency help.
Mom, Leston passed out. I don't know what happened, but other people are around. What do I do? Call 911? Okay.
It also includes built-in GPS for location tracking.
Hi, Olivia. I received an alert and my daughter seemed to have stepped out of the playground. Can you please check on her?
Are you okay?
And it provides a securely stored emergency contact
I see you have a Blackbird. I'm gonna call your mom, Stacy.
Seniors are encouraged to wear a Blackbird smart wristband for connectivity, communication, and real-time support.
Hi, are you okay? What's your name?
Ivy.
Oh, Ivy. Oh, okay, you have a Blackbird. I'm going to call your daughter, okay? Hi, I have your mother here. She seems to be in distress, so...
Yeah, I think she forgot to take her medicine again.
Can you pick her up?
Yeah, I have her location. I'll be there in 10 minutes, but 911 should be on its way. Okay, mahalo. I'll see you there.
Hi. Is this Stacy's mom? She's like non-verbal, and I think she might have the heat stroke or something.
Hey, what happened? What's going on?
Passed out.
Oh, okay. All right. I see it's a Blackbird here.
Giving medical professionals fast access to critical care information means quicker decisions, better treatment, and peace of mind when every second counts.
What's going on, buddy? She's lost. I think she needs some help. Hi there. What's your name? Ivy. What's going on today?
I don't know. My name's Escape.
Okay, my name is Brandon. I'm here to help you. Did you fall? Okay.
Don't worry, ma'am. He's going to be okay. Have someone here that seems to be having some type of convulsions. Our location is...
Don't worry about your daughter. She's safe now. She's back playing with the other kids, thanks to the Blackbird smart wristband.
It is our mission to save lives one wrist at a time.